Wanna know how to create an account in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can just easily create an account with just a few clicks in wish.com. So first things first, simply open up your favorite web browser and type in wish.com. So this should direct you to Wish right here. Now on the top right side, you should be seeing various tabs. So right beside notifications, you should be seeing login. So you can just simply hover on it, and under login you should be seeing this blue sign up button. Just simply select it and you should be directed to your sign up tab, where you can just simply enter your first name, last name, email address and password, or you can just simply hit plus Google right here, Facebook or Apple, and just simply automatically sign in just like that. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So in this video I'm going to choose my Google account, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily sign into Wish. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.